Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about external transmission coolers and how important it may be to your vehicle depending on what you do. We have a lot of folks this time of year getting ready to head out to the desert. You do a lot of towing, heavy hauling, etc. This is a time when the transmission starts to overheat. The one bad thing for an automatic transmission is heat. If we can reduce the heat, we can extend the life of your transmission. So along with servicing the transmission regularly, every 18 to 20,000 miles, and once a year we recommend at the West Automotive Group, you should put an external cooler on your vehicle to actually help keep the transmission cool during these times of towing. And that way you can extend the life of the transmission. By not having a cooler on the vehicle, an external cooler, you can often cause excessive heat, which will cause band or clutch failures. As you can see, we have a transmission filter here that had a transmission that failed and filled up the filter. Now, just so folks know, most vehicles have a cooler built inside the actual radiator. The problem with that is it doesn't give the extra cooling that you need when you are hauling these extra loads, putting heavy weight on the vehicle, on the transmission, etc. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.